Hi guys, it's Lucas here, and today we have a new game to play, and it's called Portal. Yay! Yay, put it into the toilet.
Hello, and
Flush the toilet.
the Aperture Science Computer Aided Admission Center. We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant one. Your specimen has been processed, and we are now ready to begin the test proper. Before we start, however, keep in mind that although fun and learning are the primary goals of all enrichment center activities, serious injuries may occur. For your own safety and the safety of others, please refrain from
What the fuck?
Turn back.
I actually played the first two levels only, so I barely know this game. Okay. Oh, true. Oh yeah, you need to go through here and go over here. Yeah. There's gonna be that block over there. I'm just gonna quick save. Ta-da. Okay, this was the first level.
Please proceed into the chamber lock after completing
We're
each
gonna
test.
only probably play like 10 levels because it's really hard after I heard.
This Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grid
Okay.
will vaporize any unauthorized equipment that passes through it. For instance, the Aperture Science Weighted Storage Cube.
Okay. I can't die here. Okay.
Please place the weighted storage
Yeah, this one is
cube on
really easy.
1500 megawatt Aperture Science Heavy Duty Super Colliding Super Button.
Okay, bottom. Yeah, I need to put that block on this block. Okay, I'm nearly beside this block. Now I don't want to go through this portal. Yes, I want to go through this portal. Fast! No! The portal closed. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Okay. We got it. Now we can put it over here and go back. Damn it.
Please move quickly to the chamber lock, as the effects of prolonged exposure to the button are not part of this test.
Button. Okay, so yeah, we're here. Yep. Done the second level. I started the third level, but then I didn't play. Okay. It's loading. It means that something's gonna happen probably. And if you don't know which game I bought the orange box, and in the orange box, shut the fuck up, bitch. There's the Half-Life 2, Portal 1, and Team Fortress 2.
Is an unintended side effect of the Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grid, which may, in semi-rare cases, emancipate endothelium, crowns, tooth enamel, and teeth.
I'm gonna probably play Team Fortress 2 after. Oh yeah, I'm sorry for not uploading any videos lately. I just didn't have any time.
Very good. You are now in possession of the Aperture Science handheld portal device. With it, you can create your own portals. These intradimensional gates have proven to be completely safe. The device, however, has not. Do not touch the operational end of the device. Do not look directly at the operational end of the device. Do not submerge the device in liquid, even partially. Most importantly, under no circumstances should you.
Okay, well done. We didn't heard the last one.
Please proceed to the chamber lock. Mind the gap.
Oh, okay. Oh, I get it.
Well done. Remember,
Because when I put down the blue portal, then I can teleport through the yellow portal, and if I go to if I make a blue portal, I can go through the yellow portal to the blue portal. That makes sense, and it's obviously not confusing. Okay.
Welcome to test chamber 4. You're doing quite well.
Okay. Portal here. And put this cube in here. And I go in here. Yes. Science. Damn it.
Once again, excellent work. As part of a required test protocol, we will not monitor the next test chamber. You will be entirely on your own.
Okay, thank you for the support. Oh yeah, and there will be probably Call of Duty Black Ops 2 films coming soon. Videos, films, the same thing. Oh. Okay, that was easy. I'm gonna put this in. Okay. Okay. And put it down. We're doing pretty good, I think.
As part of a required test protocol, our previous statement suggesting that we would not monitor this chamber was an outright fabrication. Good job. As part of a required test protocol, we will stop enhancing the truth in 3, 2.
Okay, that was scary. Quick saving, okay, yeah.
While safety is one of many Admission Center goals, the Aperture Science High
I probably need to get this ball into here. And it can teleport through here, up to here, look.
Please be careful.
Ta-da!
Unbelievable. You.
Subject name here.
Must be the pride of.
Subject hometown.
That was too easy. If I would be here in real life, I would like passed it so fast. I'm really tired today. Okay, what is this room?
On all mobile equipment. However, alarms and flashing hazard
this is
lights
easy,
have been
just
found
put
to
the portal
agitate the
there.
high-energy
Haha.
and have therefore been disabled for your safety. Good. Now use the Aperture Science unstationary scaffold to reach the chamber.
Damn it! Wait, I'm gonna put it over there. So when it comes back, I can go on it. Look. Ta-da! Pretty easy. I might go like 2 more levels after like I'm gonna probably I'm gonna go up to 12 or something because it's already 7th level. Now it's the 8th level. Okay, loading again, and we're gonna start. Quick saving. Let's do this.
That we have added a consequence for failure. Any contact with the chamber floor will result in an unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death.
What fuck?
Good luck.
You can't say that. Oh. Okay, what do I do here? Wait. I might put this. No. Oh, I know. Yeah, this will go there, and when this will teleport here. Yeah. And now put this there. Ta-da! I'm smart. Because when I teleported this over there, I could make a port. I could bounce it off there, so I can put a port. No, I don't want to go back. No, I'm dead. That was unexpected. Oh my god, why isn't it loading? Okay, it's kind of loading. Okay. This will be easy now.
Please note that we have added a consequence for failure.
Over
Any
there.
contact with the chamber floor will result in
Over
an
there.
unsatisfactory mark on your official testing record, followed by death. Good
Over
luck.
there. And I will just go over here. And go over there. Damn it. Now I need to wait for the fucking thing to come back. Hi, me. And you're shooting portals everywhere. Okay, don't let this up, Lucas. Bang, bang.
Very interesting. Please note that any appearance of danger is merely a device to enhance your testing experience.
Okay, what will be next? My true genius. They said that it would be really hard. But it's not really. And there's 19 levels, and I think I'm on 10th now. On the 10th one. Wait, on which one am I?
The Enrichment Center
On 9th,
regrets to inform you that this next test is impossible.
Right.
Make no attempt to solve it.
But I will. Put this probably through here, because why would the platform would be here? What should I do now? Wait, is this a window or... Nope, haha. You tried to trick me.
The Enrichment Center apologizes. Fantastic.
Tried to trick me,
You
bitch.
remain resolute and resourceful in an atmosphere of extreme pessimism.
Tried to trick me, but you couldn't. Oh my god. Okay, yes, we're here. Okay, what is this?
To reiterate, previous line. Momentum.
Yep, knew it. That was just too easy. Oh, if I... Oh. I need to jump down straight into it. Yeah. Bang!
Spectacular. You appear to understand how a portal affects forward momentum, or to be more precise, how it does not.
Damn it. It tricked me. Okay. I think I'm gonna make it. Yes.
Momentum, a function of mass and velocity, is conserved between portals. In layman's terms,
Okay.
speedy thing goes in, speedy thing comes out.
Yes. Yes. Just made it. It would be cool if we had some music over here. Like, I'll be like da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay. Oh yeah, and probably we're gonna be making a sniper clan with my friends. So stay tuned with my channel, because I'm gonna be getting a capture card soon.
To always provide a safe testing environment.
Cookie! No, cake!
Cake! Center promises to always provide useful advice.
I need the cake.
The floor here will kill you. Try to avoid it.
Wow, perfect advice. Just perfect. Really? Now we need to wait, because I probably need to go there because this is here. Go, and now I'm gonna teleport. And I'm gonna do this. Perfect. Oh my god, so slow. Okay. Yay. This is actually going so slow. Why can't they make it faster? Oh, I have 2 portal guns now. Ooh.
As part of an optional test protocol, we are pleased to present
Oh, for fuck's sake.
The device is now more valuable than the organs and combined incomes of everyone in.
What the fuck? It's more valuable than my organs. That sounded weird. Okay. Waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and going into the portal. I'm in the portal. I'm in the elevator. Portal, elevator, the same thing. I'm gonna probably end on the next level. Yeah, this is my last level now.
Get seated, clean yourself.
Yeah, the same thing as before. Bang. Too easy. Just too easy. Too easy. Why do they need to make it so easy for me? Why can't they put a portal? Oh, yeah. And now look. Bang! Thank you. I believe I can fly. Okay. What did that do? Oh, now I can go in there. Wee. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna end at the next level. Imagine if the next level would be like super hard. Because they're not like now. Yep, too easy.
Now that you are in control of
Bang.
your portals, this next test could take a very, very long time.
Not
If you
really.
become lightheaded from thirst, feel free to pass out.
Yeah, I'm obviously
Information
gonna pass
associated
out.
will be dispatched to revive you with peptic cell and adrenaline.
There. thinking now. Oh, here. Obviously. Bang. Bang. No. Okay, thank you for the cube. Now I just need to get over there. Oh, damn it. Okay, this will work. I think so, at least. Oh my god. Nah, I'm just gonna drop down with it. Okay. Now what? Okay, probably this, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna just do this, and look. Here, take it. And I'm here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Damn it. Okay, a little bit further. Okay. I just love doing that.
As part of a previously mentioned required test protocol.
Okay, this will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, stay cool.